Hi, this is Aaron from OneSideZero.net, and here we are again. Although it's the end of the year, but we still have unboxing to do. So let's just quickly check out on this unboxing experience, and this comes from Realme, and this is the Realme C67. So let's just quickly check it out. Alright, and we are back. Now let's just go through the unboxing. So of course you will get the phone. This is the translucent case, and of course it comes together with a charger, and of course a USB-A to C cable. Let's just put this one side and we talk about the design of the phone. Now the Realme C67 body is really thin. It's measured at 7.59 mm, and this is the color that I got. It is known as the Sunny Oasis, but they do offer another color, what we call the Black Rock. So there is two colors in existence for this phone. So we do not know whether the Black Rock will come to our Malaysia market or not, but we shall see. So there goes the two color options that you have. When we talk about the design, it does look really beautiful. And you can see there's actually textures of line surrounding the back part of the phone. And when you shine it under the display, it actually gives a very subtle shiny feel to it, you know, akin to a sunlight feel to it. And that gives a really different feel when you're holding this smartphone. So that is pretty much on the design. And let's just talk a bit about the camera. So the Realme C67 actually comes with a 108 megapixel 3-in-1 sensor zoom camera, which means that this is within the C series of the Realme lineup, the C series Realme lineup. This is the strongest camera that they have built so far over this phone. So what does this mean? So this 3-in-1 sensor, you can actually zoom up the image up to 3 times without losing much of the quality. Basically, you are getting native quality even if you are zoom in and try to take the picture. And this is all thanks to the 12 million pixels in the center of the 108 megapixel sensor lens. So this gives you lossless, almost close to the lossless quality whenever you want to take picture, zoom or not. Here I will clip some of the pictures that I got so that you can have a look at it. Next, Realme says that this phone has a 360-degree NFC sensor. So this allows for quick tapping, you know, whenever the sensor is or the device is when you want to tap on the NFC. So for example, I do have an NFC card over here. Look at it. Just by tapping on it, it immediately able to get the information from the NFC card. Next up in this segment, I will talk about two things all together. So it does have a stereo speaker. So one located over here and one located at the earpiece. So when I play the music, both of the speakers will play in tandem, creating a stereo feel to it. And this is one of the selling points of the Realme C67 as well. So here's an example when I blast it into full. And look at here, this is what we call the Mini Capsule 2.0. The Mini Capsule 2.0 has been improved. For example, if you swipe, you can go to the song, the next song or the previous song. And this works as well on weather and also on the charging status. So if you are using a charger and just plug it in, you will see the charging status. And of course, the last thing I wanted to mention, this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685. I know this is slightly dated, but it is still powerful in terms of today's usage. Whether you want to open multiple apps, you wanted to play some light game on it, even some medium games, this phone should be able to take it pretty easily without a hitch. Another thing I wanted to point out, this Realme C67 is actually IP54 water resistant. That means a couple dots of water, a sprinkle of water should not hurt this phone either, because this phone is well protected by the IP54 rating. So that's pretty much about it. I wanted to introduce this phone. And oh yeah, this is also a dual SIM phone, which means that you can have two SIMs together in a phone, and you can pick up your calls, maybe one dedicated for data, one dedicated for phone only. It should not be a problem for this phone at all. So that's pretty much about it. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe to us if you like our video. This will help us to actually do more of these contents. My name is Aaron, and I shall see you in the next one.